What's going on, you guys? It's Matthew here. Welcome back to another video on my channel today. Today in this episode, guys, I'm going to be doing another Funko Pop unboxing video, as a matter of fact. This was another one I got for Christmas, actually, guys. The other one I got for Christmas was the Only at Target Obi-Wan Kenobi art series. I got that one for Christmas, too. I actually got that one for Christmas too, guys, and I will not be unboxing that one because I feel like it should just be on display, as a matter of fact. But Hermione Granger is one of the rare ones, and I have the Yule Ball Hermione, but unfortunately, but I didn't have the regular Hermione, so I'm very happy I got her. Two, as a matter of fact, guys. And also, guys, that pretty much is all I have to say before we unbox this thing, as a matter of fact, guys. If you guys can please like it, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with your friends, that really help out my channel greatly. And also, guys, those of you that are not new to the channel, if you haven't subscribed already, please go subscribe right after this video, guys. And also, guys, those of you that are new to the channel, I do more than just Funko Pop related stuff. I also do Lego related stuff, movies and physical media related content, video games, all sorts of stuff like that, guys. So if that kind of stuff is your speed to watch on YouTube, guys, please do go watch a couple of my other videos. Give a couple of my other videos a chance, guys. And if you do end up liking this channel, guys, please do give this video a big, huge thumbs up. Leave a like and a comment, as a matter of fact, guys. And also, guys, those of you that are, those of you that are not new to the channel, if you haven't subscribed already, please go subscribe right after this video, guys. Make sure you press that red subscribe button and press that notification bell to turn, so you don't miss a single video in the future, as a matter of fact, guys. But anyway, guys, enjoy the video. Let's get started. Phew. Sorry, guys, I stutter a lot, so I apologize for that. Those of you guys that are new to the channel, I do stutter a lot, and sometimes I repeat the same thing. It's part of a disability that I have, though. But my bad. And so yeah, guys. So here's Harry Potter, and this is Funko Pop 150, and there's the Hermione Granger on there. There's the Funko Pop right there, and on the side there. And then you can see Hermione Granger's hiding down there. There's the Funko Pop number, and then her name is on the side. And these other Funko Pops, I probably won't be getting Gilderoy Lockhart because he's not one of my favorites out of the teachers. And I possibly will get this Harry. I most likely will try to get that Harry Potter guy sometime soon. And Dobby, I'm not so sure if I'm going to get him yet, but Gilderoy Lockhart, I don't think I'm going to get him. But there is Hermione's head right there. So yeah, let me pull that up and pull her out. This is sometimes difficult to get out, so I have to try. There we go. There's the box that we just looked at. So yeah, let me put this. Let me just break this box down. Oh, I guess I just didn't need to lift those up. But this is right there. And here is Hermione Granger, as a matter of fact, guys. I love this Funko Pop, as a matter of fact. Like, they're like the hair detailing is nice, and then there he has her black eyes. I believe all Funko Pops have those black eyes. And then there is her nose. And there is her torso and her little skirt and her robe and her little shoes. And that thing she's holding right there, for those of you guys that are new to Harry Potter, that is the mirror thing that she uses. That she uses in the Chamber of Secrets. Like, it's the thing that she's holding when she gets frozen by the Slytherin snake, as a matter of fact, guys. But I'm gonna hold her up like this, guys, because she doesn't really stand on this thing that I'm using, though. But so yeah, guys, that pretty much does it for this video, guys. If you guys can please like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with your friends. It really help out my channel greatly. And also, guys, those of you guys that are new to the channel, I do more than just Funko Pop unboxing videos like this. I also do movies and physical media related content, Lego related stuff, and video games, all sorts of stuff like that, guys. So if that kind of stuff is your speed to watch on YouTube, guys, please do go watch a couple of my other videos. Go a couple of my other videos with chance, guys. And if you do end up liking this channel, guys, please do give this video a big huge thumbs up, leave a like and a comment, guys, and please make sure you hit that red subscribe button, but most importantly, please do press that notification bell so you don't miss anything in the future. And also, guys, those of you guys that are not new to the channel, if you haven't subscribed already, please go subscribe right after this video, guys. And without any further ado, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. And make sure you take care of yourselves and drink water and stay safe, as a matter of fact, guys. And I will see you all in the very next video. Bye.